Hi, my name's Kirsty and I'm General Manager of Dairy Cooperative Limited. We're a cooperative of farmers in West Wales. We've collaborated with Fine Food Cluster and we're offering to send out to people a dairy survival box. It comes delivered by courier in a fully insulated box. All of this is renewable and recyclable. And our box contains 2 2-litre milk. You can have either whole, semi or one of each. 2 calamine butter, salted and unsalted. 4 calamine cheddar cheeses, 2 mellow and 2 extra mature. And in collaboration with Rachel's, we're also offering 2 yogurts. So this box is available via our website, www.calonwen-cymru.com. And as I said, you can order it for courier delivery or you can click and collect at a inn in Narberth.
Hi, I'm Anne Harrod from the Preservation Society in Clwstwr and I'm here to introduce you to a brand new click and collect drive-through market, our collaboration with the finest producers in the Wye Valley, Wye Valley producers. You can buy online here and you can collect it from Wye Valley Meadery.
Thank you very much. Goodness, this is heavy. I'm Matt from the Wye Valley Meadery. We produce local sparkling mead and honey. Here's a gift box with one of each. And some honey from Tintin. You can pick this box up from Clwstwr at the Wye Valley Meadery down by the railway station. We'll see you there between 5 and 7.
Hello, my name's Lynn Rowlands and I'm here from Daffodil Foods. We're here in Morven Evin on the beautiful Llyn Peninsula, which is where we're based. So we've been working in collaboration with other family businesses like ourselves to come up with a Welsh afternoon tea gift pack, which we send in the post. So inside the box we have bara brith and 6 Welsh cakes from Popty Bakery in Bangor. We have scones from Village Bakeries in Wrexham. We have tea bags from Welsh Brew Tea, and then we also have this Welsh clotted cream that we've recently started producing, and also raspberry compote which we produce in our factory as well. So altogether these make a delicious afternoon tea. We have lots of wonderful messages for people who've been really cheered up by getting this surprise in the post.
O, helo, just gair sydyn I ddeud bod ni'n dal I gynhyrchu yn Becws Popty. Da ni'n neud bara brith a cacan green sydd wedi gynnwys yn bocs bwyd Lynn Daffodil. Thank you very much, Lynn, for including us in your hamper. We're still producing a lot of bara brith and Welsh cakes every day here at the bakery in these troublesome times.
I'm Kathy with Cottage Sweets in Clwstwr, and I make delicious flavored marshmallows using natural ingredients. I've been doing it for 5 years or so now. I have the raspberry and the lemon here. More flavors to come. I change them throughout the year.
Hi, my name is Ben. I am the owner-operator of Parva Spices, based in Tintern in the Lower Wye Valley. I make hot sauces, sambals, spice blends and curry powders.
Hi, I'm T from Samosco and we're a family business based in Pontyclean, where we produce a number of vegetarian and vegan items such as samosas, bhajis, curries, curry sauces, pickles, chutneys and even our onion bhaji scotch eggs. During this time it's actually vitally important to collaborate on ideas and thoughts on how we can cope and what we can do, and part of that is a box scheme. So we've teamed up with Callum Wen as part of the Fine Food Cluster to create a Samosco survival kit, which is ideal for anyone stuck at home, and it's a collection of our customers' favourite products. So spinach and chickpea sweet potato curry, onion bhajis, curry sauce, and a firm favourite of mine, spiced mango chutney, which I have in a lot of sandwiches. It's a vegan friendly box, so it's an ideal addition to any household.
We're Brooks Wye Valley Dairy Company and we make delicious ice cream and cheese with milk from these lovely ladies.
There's lots of delicious Welsh food to try. It's got our Jersey ice cream and our gyda'i cheese, so that you can have delicious Welsh food.